Hello again. In our last video we made multi-steps with different fleets for each skipper in different steps. So race 1 and race 2 was step 1, race 3 is step 2. And we sort them out in different fleets initially randomly, and then based on results we did snake order in fleets. Continue that, what I want to show you now, you can at any point add a new final step. So what is a final step? Imagine you want to, now that you had the qualification phase in different fleets, you had like 60 boats or something within 3 fleets. In this case it's 18 divided by 3. And what I want to do now is pick them in final fleets. So I will make a gold, silver, and a bronze fleet, and insert them accordingly to placement based on their current results. So let's start it. Let's go back. Here we are in our sailing class, and what I want to do now is create a new step. So this step will be a finals, and initially let's go with cumulative scoring, so everything is in the same table, but if that's not what you want, you can always set it off. Let's go save it. And now let's go to fleet management. Or first to the steps, so you can, this step has no fleets. Let's go to manage the fleet, so I click here and go to the fleet management. So step 3 is a final, and final fleets are not managed, so they are inserted based on range. So what we want to do is start to name your fleet. So our fleet will be first fleet will be the gold. You can insert as many fleets as you want. Let's pick a nice gold color and let's set them to 6. So the first fleet will have from 1 to 6 inserted. So let's save it. It will automatically save it, and let's go again to our fleet management. So we already have a gold fleet. Let's go enter the silver one. And now let's go to, you can choose whatever you like, and I'll choose this range from 7 to 12, and insert them in the corresponding fleet. And now let's go for a bronze one. Let me grab a good color for bronze. That might be good. Bronze, and let's go insert them in the range. And as you can see, we have gold, silver, and bronze fleets. So what you want to do now is begin with the racings in step 3. So let's go, and it asks us what's the fleet you want to go in. Let's imagine it was like 3 races. It was the 4 races, but it doesn't really matter. What I want to show you is how the results came up. So from the gold fleet, let's go with mixed results and some I don't know, did not compete, and a third, and I don't know, retired. Okay, let's save and calculate. Your results were updated. That's fantastic. And go back to the sailing class and do the same thing for silver and bronze. You can start the one you want first, bronze, silver, or gold. Doesn't really matter. What matters is the range. Let's go with some codes so you can see them in the results. This finish second, and save and calculate. Wait a little bit because the championship is getting bigger. So let's go to our steps again and do the bronze one. Go. Let's leave it there. And now we can check our event page. So, what do we have here? The first thing that you want to notice is as we made the fleets from range, bronze will never be above silver, even if it has less net points. So, because it's finals, and you were in a certain degree of fleet, in this case a bronze one, you will not go up even if you have less points. And the results are always in the same table, but you can, if you want, insert non-cumulative scores for the finals and have a different table for it. It's whatever you want, whatever you like. Uh, and that's it. That's basically it. And you can insert as many finals as you want. And if you want, you can also come here and after having a gold, silver, and medal, you can imagine you wanted to create a medal race for some reason, uh, and insert them. Let me see who's in the the gold fleet. So S Gear and Ton Fabiano, for example. Let's go to our medal race and Fabiano and let me see. And I imagine these two were tied, and they wanted and you wanted to make sure everything was clear and who was the best, who has the bragging rights, and in the end this one came on top, and you saved and calculated. What would you expect to happen in our results? What happens is, as these two were in the finals, they always are in the first and second position. Even if you, I don't know, by any means, you choose like the best performers from, I don't know, you could have a different competition format that we don't know about or don't get really along with it, but it works as well. So as you can see, this one in the medal race, the points are double, but will never finish. Will never be. There is no one higher than the guys who are on the medal race. And as you can see, the system the step system can employ every kind of results. And if you have any doubt or any question, or if you want me to do a different explanation for your current competition format or placing, you can always email or text us. Uh, I hope you enjoyed and hope you understood.